Hello everyone, it's your chemical tutor here. Today I will give you a brief overview of chemical engineering. This tutorial will cover what is chemical engineering, is there any difference between chemistry and chemical engineering, scope of chemical engineering, and last one, the role of a chemical engineer. So let's start. 70% of interviewers ask this basic question: what do you know about chemical engineering? And after 4 years of study, we are still not confident. So let's figure it out. Chemical engineering is an application of basic sciences. For example, it involves physics laws in observing fluid flow, laws of chemistry in the subject of reaction engineering. It can be defined as the branch of engineering in which we study the conversion of raw materials into products. For example, in sugar industry, sugar cane is our raw material which is converted into sugar, which is the final useful product. It can also be defined as the study of design and operation of large-scale chemical plants. What is meant by design and operation? Let's say we have a batch reactor, which is a core equipment of chemical engineering. Designing is basically finding height, diameter, power, and other parameters like this. In operation, we generally look after chemical plants. We check either flow rates, concentration, and other parameters are according to our requirements or not. Many of us confuse chemical engineering with chemistry and choose chemical engineering because they like chemistry, but I want to tell you it's not like that. There is a huge difference between chemistry and chemical engineering. In chemistry, we research for new chemicals, their method of preparations. On the other side, chemical engineers use this research in designing and produce these chemicals on large scale. Those who study chemistry are recognized as chemists, and for chemical engineering, recognition is chemical engineer. Chemists work in laboratory and chemical engineers work at chemical plants. Chemical engineering is also called universal engineering due to its large applicability. I have listed some of sectors which are covered by chemical engineering. For example, food and drinks, energy sectors including oil, gas and nuclear plants, information technology, education, chemicals and allied products, fertilizers, plastic and metal industry. It is very important to know the role of a chemical engineer in an industry. A chemical engineer develops, design and operate complete process and equipment. Secondly, he is responsible for the product quality. He keenly looks after health and safety parameters. He is responsible for planning and scheduling the plant. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. See you in the next tutorial.